The one, the only Keanu Thompson.
Bing, 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 bing. Hello. Oh my God. Off to a great start. Bing, bing. Garbage floor. Kobe. Beep. Don't touch my butt.
Sorry, Chef. I slipped.
My sleeve.
It's so
Yeah, it's my bitch.
I'm gonna chop up the spinach, right?
No, don't you dare! This is the stuff that we're gonna use. She didn't use Duke's mayo. Get out. You can have that one.
Isn't gonna lose all.
Look what you did.
Yeah.
Red pepper. Hi, sorry. I hate it. I need.
Here, I'll get the magic bullet. Hold on. Put it in a blender.
I wish I had a magic bullet right now.
Maybe I'm wrong and that is too thin. So let's commit to the bit and we'll put it in the blender. Okay?
You see exactly what the f going on here. One day I'll put your food in a blender in like 5 minutes when you're 85. You want something to chew on. Don't make it too thin. And this is the uncut one. Okay? We love cow.
Side. Like, I swear.
I can't hear you.
Every side
La,
of it.
la, 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 la,
And Dad
la,
would
la.
do that. When
Provolone is great for the skin.
you open every side of the four-sided box. You rip. If you're not going to take this seriously.
Oh my God. Whiz. There's a provolone. That's very fucking good.
Later, people.